everyone, Maggie here.
And Kay behind the camera.
I'm going to show you how to make a little photo wallet using our large walrus flip-flap dies, but you can actually make a little photo wallet with any of our large flip-flap dies. The only thing you'll need to do is check, you may need to alter the measurements slightly. Okay, so these are our flip-flap dies, and this is these tie in with the walrus whisker range because they've got the shape there. And you get two dies. One is the flap that cuts into paper and it has a hinge side here, a deboss side here, and this one is a mat that cuts the whole shape out.
So how can you tell which is which?
Now with this set, with the walrus and the Victorian, you can tell because you have 3 notches along the edge which shows you the fold line. I'm not sure if we've got them on the original one. I think we forgot to put them on.
We'll do it for the next one then.
Which we will do for the next one because it is much more helpful. Okay, so here I've cut a strip of card and it's 4.5 inches wide by 10 inches long, and I've scored it at 5 inches here. Okay, so I'm just going to fold that score. What am I going to do, Kay?
You're going to burnish.
Burnish, okay.
Without shine?
Without shine, because I'm using my super duper multi-purpose Teflon tool. Okay, and then I'm going to take my whisker flip-flap with the edge that has no cutting edge here. It's just, you'll see it's a flat edge there. And I'm going to line that flat edge up onto the edge here. So I'll take a bit of the tape. Now this is the Pink Frog True Black Acid and Lignin Free card, and I think it's 270 GSM.
Okay, I think it is. I think it is as well.
Yeah. Okay. So here I'm going to line the fold line. I've got the fold of my card lined up with the fold of my flip flap, and I'm just going to tape that quite firmly. And I'd probably put a little bit there just to hold it down. But these dies will cut through 2 lots of that cardstock. Okay, so that's that. So,
Are you making tea? Do your teeth?
I'm using my die cutting machine.
Oh, right, okay.
Okay. And here it is.
It is very magic.
All cut out.
Hold on a second. It's just.
It's gone out of focus again.
Yeah, not quite sure. It just keeps doing that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Right. So then it's a simple matter of using my other flip flap, which is the matting one that mats it, and I'm going to put some plain colours inside here for my little wallet, and then on the outside I'm going to do the same thing. Now the only thing you need to remember when you're cutting your mats for your flip flaps is that when you cut them, if you've got the same piece of paper like that, that one's upside down. Okay, so you need to make sure when you're cutting out with your flip flaps on your decorative paper, if that end is that way, you want it to be that way. If the pattern's going up that way, and if your flap is going to be opening out that way, then you need to have your die that way on the pattern paper. You'll only do it once, and don't panic if you do it. What I would suggest is, because we've all done it, is cut along that bit there, okay? Put it back in the die and get your fancy edge there, and then just make a straight edge pocket there, and so you haven't lost out on your paper. So, and now you're thinking, yes, that's a very nice wallet, but where do I put my photos in? Well, on my previously cut flip flaps, they fit one of our brand new photo corner dies.
Well, that's convenient.
Isn't that convenient? I didn't plan that, but it just worked out well, didn't it? Okay, and you'll see that these actually fit in there like that, and like that. So then you've got your photo mats which will go in there. So we'll just do that now. Ink the edges just to take a bit of the white paper off. And I forgot to say, this is the fabulous collection of from Craft Consortium. It's their Festive Flora and Festive Grunge range, and I can't believe how many papers you get in a pad. It's 30 sheets, isn't it? Double-sided.
Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, there's loads
in each pad. So we just go around with that. we'll just do this one. And you get, with the curved photo slots, you get a set of three dies. You get 3 that cut out the slots, so you get 3x4, 3x3, 3x2, and then you get the corresponding photo mats as well. So let's just pop that on there. And you can see you've got your border around the edge because the mat is cut slightly smaller. If you wanted a little closure for this now, you could use one of your little dumbbell and swivel dies. You could stick that on there, have a magnet there, stick a magnet the other side so it's covered by the mat. So you could do that. In fact, we could do that now. Let's pop that, lift that up under there. Let's pop that one on there. Okay, so that's just sticking straight down like that. Okay. So it needs a closure now, so it needs a magnet on this side. So this time I'm just going to use double-sided tape. You could use a mag pop, which Kay would definitely use.
Definitely.
Okay, so just that's double-sided tape, stick up, and that's the magnet there. So we'll just pop that. Give it a little bit of leeway there. Okay, and then just make sure that's it, that's like that. So then we'll take we'll put this one in first, and when you're sticking your photo slots in, just taking the tape off, make sure, I mean I've actually put my photo mats in already, you can put a piece of card in, but you don't want to put any glue where the cream mat is showing through. So just run through.
You want to take the tape off?
That's a good idea, Kay. Okay, so let that one stick on there. We'll burnish that. Okay, and then this one doesn't have a magnet, but we'll pop this in here. I think these papers are so lovely, and the grunge one with all the different textures and things
It's lovely, yeah, it's nice.
It's fab.
There's some super colours in them.
I've nearly finished the big album.
Oh, good.
So once I've done that, we can do like a thing, so you've got all of them, what you can make out of one set.
Is this left over from that?
Yeah, this is left over from that as well. There is just so much there. Okay, so that's there. So that's my little photo wallet, and then I might want to put something on top of there. So there's the where's my little mini die thing? Here it is. Oh, I think it's on the big one actually. So the dumbbell and swivel, they actually come. This is the dumbbell set. So you've got your dumbbell bit there. Those are 2 mini mag pops. Those are stitched mats if you want them, and then they've got 2 little topper circles there. So if you want to add something on top of here, I'm using artist tack here, so I'm just going to put green ones on here, and that will just fit on top like that, and then I would add some glossy accents on top after that. So that's just a really simple photo wallet, but it will go in your albums, will tuck in your pockets, all sorts of things like that. Thank you. And I forgot to just say, you can add some of our little words there, photos, and that's it.